Got the red, got the blue, and we've got the black. So what makes these a travel bowl is they're silicone, and they fold down into nothing. So you can take them, toss them in your bag, easy to clean up. The bottom piece is thicker silicone, so it gives it a little bit more sturdiness down here, but they just pop out like this. Good to go. We've got 11 nubs, agitators, whatever you'd like to call them. I think we call them agitators on the website instead of nubs. But they really help spreading the brush apart and getting the lather out of the knot when you're building your lather. For those of you that are bowl lathers, these things are they're fantastic. So let's pull the green one out. And let's go to town. So, set my brush. Sorry, making camera adjustments mid-shot. We are using iced pineapple today because it is rainy, cold, and miserable here today, and I'd rather be someplace warm. So we're going to load the brush for about 30 seconds here. Making sure to not use too much pressure and push down because that damages brushes. Light pressure is all you need. Let the brush do the work. All right, we should have enough loaded in here by now to work this over. So let's see how these do. So I've just got a tiny amount of water in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add probably a teaspoon of water to the bottom of it. And I'll add more as I start to work the lather. I'll do my best to get this where you can see it. Agitators just work really well for pulling the lather out. So about 15 seconds of swirling. You can see we've still got bubbles in there. Still got bubbles in here. So let's put some water in here. Add another teaspoon of water and back to work. Great thing about Stirling soaps is they will handle a wide range of water. You have to really work to put too much water in these things to break them down. Bubbles are starting to retreat, the foam's starting to come out. We're starting to get some lather in there. I'm spilling a little out of the bowl here. So where are we at? Let's keep going. Could probably keep going a little longer and pull out some more out of this, but what we've got here is a load, and that is some extremely thick, beautiful lather with a nice high sheen to it. Perfect.